that fucking video. Yes!
Yay! Hell yeah.
Pull the fuck back over, Mercedes.
That's right.
He's after you, dumbass.
Hell yeah. Love it.
Yes.
Saying that she was sleeping with a senior engineer on another project. He put a gun catalog on the windshield of her car. I don't know what this gesture means, but I obviously understand that it was meant to be threatening. Unfortunately, inside was a subscription card that the company autofilled with his name and address. She also says she has been harassed for the same length of time, about 3 months, on Twitter. He only logged into one Twitter account that harassed her at work, so they could only say one was him, all telling her to quit her job. So I don't know what to do now. This is all terrifying to me, and I feel so bad for this woman. I have no idea what this is all about. He works with other women engineers, and he has worked with male engineers who don't pull their weight, and he's never done anything like this. I would have bet $1 million that he would never do anything like this. He's at his parents'.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Fucking cunt! Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video.
T'as un problème? Man, j'ai une caméra! Tu te connais pas la police? Calme-toi! J'ai sorti... J'attendais pour sortir après toi, c'est quoi ton problème? Quoi? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? C'est quoi ton problème? T'es normal sévère, tabarnak! J'ai 2 caméras dans le truck, c'est un problème, on peut faire venir la police. Va te parquer là-bas, on va appeler la police. Là, tu bloques la circulation, c'est un ticket. Ah ouais!
Current loop video is now
I'll
locked.
talk to you. Yeah, I'm almost rear-ended some dumbass from Wisconsin.